What lessons can U.S. investors and U.S. issuers take away from the Canadian Spot Ether experiment?
Yeah, so I would say it was pretty smooth sailing here in Canada. I mean, not to brag, but we were only 2 months between Spot Bitcoin and Spot Ether listing. So it was pretty back-to-back. This is the start of 2021. And to a lot of fanfare, so I'm sure you'll have that here as well. But, current AUM stands at $1.5 billion in Ether ETFs, which might sound a bit small fry, but there is about $4.5 billion in Bitcoin ETFs. So the ratio is about 3 to 1 on assets from Bitcoin to Ether. So I'd argue that's not an insignificant amount, and that's probably something here to stay. And then looking forward, in Canada, we have a one-ticker solution for multiple cryptocurrencies within an ETF. And I think that gets really exciting when we talk about the advancement of digital assets within ETF wrappers.
And just real quick, Bitcoin pitched to the boomers as digital gold. Okay, got it.
Sure.
How do you pitch Ether? How is it getting to those older investors?
You know what? Again, that's a little bit out of my wheelhouse, but I think it is adding that diversity mix, right? I'm not all in on Bitcoin. Obviously there's the whole staking thing, which we're not going to get into here, but again, if you can kind of layer in broad cryptocurrency exposure, and then it's not just I'm on the whims of Bitcoin and Mt. Gox, that's the news of this week, I can have kind of a diversified book of cryptocurrency instead. I think that makes a lot of sense.